Forgive me, my camera is kind of screwed up, so I have to shoot from the hip here. Let's turn that volume up.
And how fucking dare anyone out there make fun of Brittany after all she's been through? She lost her aunt. She went through a divorce. She had 2 fucking kids. Her husband turned out to be a user, and and now she's going through a custody battle. All you people care about is viewers and making money off of her. She's a human! What you don't realize is that Brittany's making you all this money, and all you do is write a bunch of crap about her. She hasn't performed on stage in years. Her song is called Give Me More for a reason, because all you people want is more. Leave her alone! You're lucky she even performed for you bastards! Leave Brittany alone! Please! Perez Hilton talked about professionalism and said if Brittany was a professional, she would have pulled it off no matter what. Speaking of professionalism, when is it professional to publicly bash someone who's going through a hard time? Leave Brittany alone! Please! Leave Britney Spears alone right now! I mean it! Anyone who has a problem with her, you deal with me. Because she's not well right now. Leave her alone.
You like that? Well, mad enough.